Number 1.
1977 Chevrolet C10, price $8,750. It has been driven 100,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a vibrant red exterior with a matching red interior, this gasoline-powered truck presents exceptionally well thanks to its straight, rust-free body and fresh paint. Its timeless styling and clean overall condition make it an eye-catching example of this iconic Chevrolet model. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, both of which run and operate smoothly. The truck starts, drives, and performs as expected, with all components functioning properly. Combining solid mechanical condition with a clean appearance, this C10 is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and well-preserved classic pickup.
Number 2.
1997 Ford F-250, price $10,600, powered by a reliable 7.5L, 460, V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 166,000 miles, it features a blue exterior matched with a blue interior, offering a classic and well-maintained appearance. The truck is equipped with cold-blowing air conditioning, dual fuel tanks with a combined 35-gallon capacity, a durable bedliner, cruise control, a Bluetooth stereo system, and an alarm system for added convenience and security. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds, this F-250 is well-suited for both heavy-duty work and everyday driving, making it a dependable choice for anyone seeking a capable and versatile classic pickup.
Number 3.
1983 GMC Sonoma, price $10,000, powered by a 383-stroker V8 engine producing approximately 500 horsepower, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission featuring a shift kit for quicker power is transferred through a strong Ford 9-inch rear end, making the drivetrain well-suited for handling the truck's impressive output. Having been driven 123,000 miles, this gasoline-powered Sonoma is finished in a blue exterior with a black interior, giving it a classic appearance that complements its aggressive mechanical setup. Designed with performance and safety in mind, the truck is equipped with a full roll cage and Corbeau racing seats, providing added protection and support during spirited driving or track use. It also comes fitted with a nitrous oxide (NOS) system, although it is currently not hooked up, allowing the next owner the option to complete the setup if desired. To further enhance its drag racing potential, a pair of racing slicks is included with the sale.
Number 4.
1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,500, with only 57,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine, and two-wheel drive. It delivers smooth performance and is an excellent choice for towing or everyday driving. The truck has been consistently maintained with annual servicing, starts easily, runs strong, and is dependable enough to be driven anywhere with confidence. The white exterior is paired with a remarkably well-preserved blue interior, reflecting the care this truck has received over the years. The interior remains in outstanding condition, while the exterior paint shows some wear, which is common for Chevrolet trucks of this era due to factory paint quality. Overall, this is a rare, low-mileage example that is becoming increasingly difficult to find. It also comes with a clean title and a clean Carfax report, making it an appealing option for collectors and enthusiasts alike.
Number 5.
1994 Ford F-150, price $5,500. It has been driven 147,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4.9-liter inline-six gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a dependable 4x4 drivetrain. Finished in a clean white exterior with a well-kept gray interior, this truck presents itself in excellent condition for its age, featuring a rust-free body and a clean, comfortable cabin. Overall, the combination of the proven inline-six engine, manual gearbox, and four-wheel drive system delivers a classic driving experience while maintaining the practicality and toughness that have made the Ford F-150 a longtime favorite among truck enthusiasts.
Number 6.
2000 Ford F-250, price $3,900, finished in a classic white exterior paired with a clean gray interior, offering a timeless and well-kept appearance. Equipped with a reliable 5.4L Triton V8 engine and an automatic transmission, this truck has only 140,000 miles, which is considered low for its model year. It starts easily, runs strong, and delivers a smooth, dependable driving experience. In addition to its solid mechanical condition, the truck is fitted with a set of nearly new tires, making it ready for daily driving or work without immediate investment. Overall, this well-maintained F-250 combines low mileage, dependable performance, and practical usability, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable full-size pickup.
Number 7.
1999 Ford F-350, price $6,000, with a powerful V10 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, with 190,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a green exterior with a clean white interior, the truck has been well cared for and remains in good overall condition. It served as a reliable work truck for the past 7 years, proving its durability and ability to handle demanding tasks while continuing to perform dependably. The truck has received important mechanical updates to help ensure its longevity, including an engine replacement in 2020 and a recently installed transmission with approximately 120,000 miles. Both the engine and transmission are reported to be in good working condition, giving the next owner added confidence. Combining its heavy-duty dually configuration, solid maintenance history, and dependable performance, this F-350 is well suited for towing, hauling, or everyday work use.
Number 8.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,900, powered by a 4.3-liter V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 200,000 miles, it features a striking red exterior complemented by a beige interior. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, making it a reliable choice for daily driving, work, or personal use. In addition to its solid mechanical condition, the truck is equipped with a fully functional air conditioning and heating system for year-round comfort. It also comes with a good set of tires, allowing it to be driven with confidence.
Number 9.
1977 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500. It has been driven 100,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a black interior, this gasoline-powered pickup offers a dependable and enjoyable driving experience. Rather than being a fully restored truck, it has been built as a patina-style cruiser, preserving its classic character while remaining reliable and easy for anyone to drive. It recently passed emissions on July 18, starts with a simple turn of the key, cruises smoothly on the road, and benefits from fresh fluids throughout with no leaks. The truck also delivers an impressive exhaust note thanks to its custom exhaust system. Mechanically, it has been upgraded with a fresh 355 V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, a 1405 Edelbrock carburetor, headers, new brakes on all 4 corners, new shocks, a clutch fan, and a replacement steering wheel. The lowered suspension, along with 19-inch Hallebrand wheels and tires, gives the truck an aggressive stance while maintaining comfortable road manners, making it a dependable classic that's ready to be enjoyed.
Number 10.
1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,900, with 200,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a burgundy exterior, a gray interior, and a gasoline-powered engine. Equipped with the desirable 4x4 Z71 package, it is powered by a reliable 5.7-liter V8 paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission. The truck runs, drives, and handles exceptionally well with no known issues or mechanical problems. It has no fluid leaks, features newer tires, and offers both cold air conditioning and effective heating, with all systems functioning as intended. Recent maintenance includes a fresh tune-up, oil change, new head gaskets, a new water pump, and a replacement transmission that has also been recently serviced. The body is clean and straight with very little rust, making this Sierra 1500 a dependable and well-cared-for classic truck.